India is my country. All Indians, sir. My brothers and sisters. I love my country. And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. Along life, my happiness. Jai Hind.
My name is Happy morning everyone. Today's thought is brought to you by Jashwant of Great Sense of Our Thought. A small action by many people can create a big change in society. I repeat my thought. A small action by many people can create a big change in society. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Please wait.
Of Great Sense of Our Word. Awareness, meaning knowing and understanding what is happening around you. Friends, please spell after me. AW ARENESS. Awareness. Thank you. Have a good day.
But one day he saw something strange and creepy in the field. So he went and checked. A carrot, which is crooked, around it a log, without getting the sunlight. And the neighbor farmer said, "No, it is waste of space, you can better remove it." But the farmer didn't listen to them. At the time of harvesting, all the carrots he took and sold it. But the crooked carrot he taken to home and cut it and tasted a slight. It was delicious and flavorable. Then the farmer realized that is for the getting sunlight the carrot is struggled and it puts efforts to get the sunlight. So it was tasty. All the carrots are grown freely, but it is grown with struggles and efforts. So the moral of the story is, present we can be struggled and we put our efforts, but in future we can be sweet like the crooked carrot. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Today's national news and international news is brought to you by K. Kavita from Grade 7 Sapphire. National news. IMD warned that over the southeast Bay of Bengal is likely to intensify storm by Tuesday. International news. Russia tests nuclear powered missile about 14,000 kilometers in 15 hours. Thank you and have a wonderful day.
A question is brought to you by M. Pranay Mokshit Reddy of Grade 7 Sapphire. Question for Grade 7. How many languages are there in whole world? No, you didn't pick the correct answer, and the answer is 7,000 languages. Question for Grade 8. How many countries are there in whole world? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is 195 countries. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 9. What is the use of Swachh Bharat? I will repeat again. What is the use of Swachh Bharat? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is to keep clean. Let us appreciate them. Open questions. First question. Where does the Kanha located? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Madhya Pradesh. Let us appreciate them. Second question. Who is Jawaharlal Nehru? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is first Prime Minister of India. Let us appreciate them. Where does the South Pole is located? Yes, you picked the correct answer, and the answer is Antarctica. Let us appreciate them. Thank you.